We're off to the races, geeks, with all these 4 Macs that I own. So on the top left we have the eMac with ATI graphics. On the bottom left we have the iMac G4 15-inch. On the top right we have the original iMac G3 Bronzy Blue. And below that we have the PowerBook 1400 CS. And finally in the middle we have my MacBook from mid-2009. So as you can see, the eMac, iMac G4 and MacBook all have macOS 10. And the iMac G3 and PowerBook 1400 CS have the classic macOS. And as you may have noticed, the iMac G4 wins this race at a speed of 38 seconds, followed by the eMac at 39.3 seconds. 1 second of difference. It's actually quite interesting. And the MacBook follows close behind at 54.2 seconds. Which is still pretty fast, but not as fast as other Macs today that have like SSDs in them. But all of these have mechanical hard drives, so you're not going to get any blazing fast speeds in this. So, sorry. But anyway, the iMac G3 is almost done. Just add the wallpaper now. And the PowerBook 1400 CS, sorry, is still going. iMac G3 is now done at 1 minute 33 seconds. Which is a bit slow, but it's not as slow as the PowerBook 1400 CS, which is still going, unfortunately. So I'll tell you the years of these computers and what OSs they're running. So the eMac G4 is from 2003, the particular model I have. It runs 10.4. iMac G4 is from 2002 and also runs 10.4 Tiger. 10.411 by the way. The MacBook from mid-2009 has macOS 10.6.8 and the iMac G3 from 1998 has macOS 9.1. As of recording the video, I now have 9.2 on it, because I updated it. And the PowerBook 1400 CS runs system 7.6.1. Actually, I think it's just 7.6. But as you can see, it finally finishes at a very slow 2 minutes 48, which did take forever, but it is an old machine, so I don't blame it. So that is my Macintosh boot race. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you want me to demo a particular gadget, comment below or private message me, and I will see you later.